this video, we're assembling the pig candy bar wrapper. And so this is a very quick and easy project. These would make good party favors for the kids. You can do a lot in a very short time. You can see here that it goes together very quickly. So this is a great project to do with kids. Easy project for doing for party favors, classrooms, because you can get a lot done in a very short period of time. These are designed to go with my farm series. So this pig matches the pig from that series. So now on the wrapper, I did my wrapper in a patterned paper. I'm gonna put the bottom panel first because the head does overlap it. And you want to just kind of center that on this panel. I'm going to use some foam tape to put on the head. And we have our candy bar here. And to do the belly band, we're just going to fold it around loosely. You don't want to do it too tight because you want to be able to get your belly band off and on. Okay. And there is the pig candy bar wrapper. Thank you for joining me.